Anytime Fitness, Kalamazoo coming at you, continuing our video series of 9 food ingredients that if you find on the back of a food label, you absolutely want to stay away from. Today, specifically, we are talking about aspartame. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener that is 200 times sweeter than sugar. Okay? It also goes by the name of NutraSweet as well as Equal. Okay? So if you see NutraSweet, aspartame, Equal on the back of a food label, you know that's something you want to stay away from. Okay? It can be found in diet soda, it can be found in yogurt, it can be found in reduced calorie drinks, anything that says sugar-free. It's also found in gum as well, types of candies that say reduced sugar. So if you're reading a label on the front of it and it says reduced sugar or sugar-free, be very skeptical, especially if you look on the back of that food label and you see aspartame or you see things like sucralose or there's a few other forms of sugar that are on there. So product companies can get away with saying sugar-free as long as sugar, the ingredient, isn't actually in it, but they can still use things that are sweeteners that still have the same effect on your body as sugar. Okay, so back to aspartame. Specifically why you want to stay away from it. Okay, there are documented research of animal biopsies that have linked aspartame to increases in risk of cancer. And there was one study that a statistician performed where he took the statistics of these animal biopsies and compared them with kind of like other research of biopsies and kind of the results of those. And what his statistical analysis predicted is that based on the success of animals deriving cancer from regular ingestion of aspartame, that there is a strong likely correlation that humans will have a similar effect based on the research that he found. If you're very interested and you want to know more about that, I have a link posted to that study in the description. Go ahead and check that out. But also there is research that shows that aspartame does have a link to leukemia, which is cancer of the blood, which that's no joke. So I would strongly encourage you kind of stay away from it. Also, aspartame is known to affect blood sugar as well because it's 0 calorie, but it's very sweet. So if you're someone that has diabetes or struggles with obesity as well, aspartame is something that you're going to want to stay away from because it does affect your blood sugar. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. If you got questions, give me a post. If this is helpful to you, give me a like. Appreciate it. See ya.